create a dynamic view in your dashboard, select the dynamic view option from the list of components. Go to General, and in the tab we'll select the current tab. Now here we will select the primary widget which we want to be displayed on the first level. So we'll select sales by product line, and here we'll click on plus icon to add a level. In level 1, what we want is, if we want detailed table which should be linked with product line, we'll add another level where we will add yearly distribution which should be linked by year. I will save and exit. Now let's preview this dashboard. Now you can see that only chart is visible, so we'll click on the classic cars and we'll get the table. And if we'll click on 2016, we'll get the pie chart with the 2016. So this way you can create your dynamic view.